If you bought here and it came up and did this all day, and VWAP just continues because it's just going to continue to go down all day. What do you care? Right? Do you see that?
Yes.
So you bought it here. Everybody's panic selling here. Like, what are you doing? Why are you selling it? Why? Right? And I'll tell you why. Fear or greed is controlling that trade, right? And now here's what sucks. You guys bought in here, perfect timing. I was yelling all morning, keep your hands off, like I do every single day, for the 1% that's actually listening to that part of it and not drowning me out or walking away or whatever. Right. So you're doing all the right things and it hits here and you're like, that I'm out. This one right here, you're like, nope, that's it. I'm out. I'm taking that money. I made all this money from here to here. Coach said this is going down. This is a perfect trade. I made the trade and I got out. And then it does this, right? So you missed the Forex. You see what I'm saying? Take your 50%. If you're squeamish, take it. Fine. Oh, I don't like it again. Take it. Fine. Take it. Fine. Do you see what I mean? Here's 50,
Yeah, coach.
20, 20, 10, right? And then you can do whatever you want. Because I guarantee you at 10%, if all you had left was 10% left, you are never again going to worry about little moves to the upside. I promise you won't, because they're going to be so tiny to your position size. So you're talking about this first candle, it came up and then it didn't reject because it closed high. As soon as this candle, it popped up and it drove down right here. You see where it broke the previous body? Bang, that's my entry. See it right there? Yeah, you should be scalping on a 1 minute, at least for entry. And then if you guys don't, right here, you see how it's breaking this? Look, that is not yet a break and hold, right? To the upside, but this came up fast again. What does that mean? That's a bullish indicator, yes? Entering now. I'm going to put my stop just below it. What is it? There it goes. There it is. See? 14-cent trailing stop. I'm way late to that party. What I should have done is had a stop right here below this, right? But that is good. To me, I would do that. That is looking very bullish. You can see the drive back up on this candle and have your stop right here, right below it. You see how it's still to the upside?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. It doesn't get any better than that.
Okay.
Now right here, I could collect. I mean, I'm already up $70. I could collect, but I have a trailing stop because I'll just let it run the rest of the day, right? And now we're getting set up to go back to the downside. This is not it yet. Do you see it? I have to wait for the next candle only because this isn't long enough. That's not strong conviction. Do you see how this was green? As soon as this candle, though, if it breaks below this previous body right here, as soon as it breaks that to the downside, I'm going short. Do you see it? Otherwise, I don't touch it yet. This is not confirmation to the downside.